The Belgorod Special Purpose Nuclear Submarine will serve in the Pacific Ocean after passing state trials and commissioning, a source close to Defense Ministry told TASS. According to preliminary information, the Belgorod submarine will serve in the Pacific Ocean after commissioning. However, it would be able to perform missions in any location of the world ocean, he said. Earlier, a source revealed that the Belgorod would enter state trials in May 2021. Another source disclosed that, in addition to the Poseidon nuclear drones, the submarine will carry the IS-15 deep-sea nuclear station. The Project 09852 Poseidon submarine, the first-ever carrier of Poseidon nuclear underwater drones, was launched on April 23, 2019. The submarine was initially scheduled for commissioning in 2020. Under the current armament program, 3 special-purpose submarines will be built before 2027. The nuclear-powered Belgorod is neither an attack submarine nor a ballistic missile sub. A special mission submarine, Belgorod will be a mothership to other undersea vessels. The sub can carry a payload on its back, behind the sail, or a Losharik-class mini-submarine that attaches and detaches to the bottom of the hull. According to Hi Sutton, noted authority on undersea warfare, Belgorod will be crewed by the Russian Navy but operated by GUGI, the secretive main directorate Deep Sea Research Organization. Sutton, who has been watching Belgorod's development from afar, tells Popular Mechanics, Belgorod was originally laid down as an Oscar II-class cruise missile submarine, but work stopped when the Russian economy caught up with the submarine building program. Work restarted years later in her modified form, so she is already older than many of her crew. The modifications are likely to be extensive, and may include some latest technology, but underneath she is still an earlier generation of submarine, and likely to be less stealthy than the latest generation. One major mission believes, Belgorod is meant for as the covert placement of the Harmony submarine detection network. A nuclear-powered underwater detection system, Harmony could help alert Russian forces of enemy submarines transiting through key areas. The key to their working, however, is their covert deployment, something Belgorod was practically built to do. Another mission is conducting covert operations with the Losharik midget submarines. The 230-foot-long, nuclear-powered Losharik is equipped with robotic arms and capable of diving to 1,000 meters, 3,280 feet. The massive submarine will also be able to carry the Harpsichord 2 ppm autonomous underwater vehicle, transporting it to an operating area and then use its sonar to map the ocean floor or find man-made objects. Although built to conduct underwater espionage, by far the most sinister mission for Belgorod is as launch vehicle for the Poseidon nuclear torpedo system. Poseidon is a very large torpedo, 65 feet long and 6.5 feet in diameter, with a range of thousands of miles and a top speed of 60 knots. Poseidon is believed to carry a 2-megaton thermonuclear warhead and is designed to go around U.S. missile defenses to strike coastal targets, including ports and cities. According to Hi Sutton, Belgorod will carry up to 6 Poseidon torpedoes.